Hello there! Welcome to a delicious new adventure, where every bite is a celebration. Are you ready for a culinary journey that's sure to excite your taste buds and bring a smile to your face? Today, we're making BBQ pulled pork sliders, the ultimate party food, and a true crowd pleaser for any occasion. These sliders are soft, saucy, and absolutely packed with flavor, making them perfect for gatherings big or small. There's a certain magic to them, the irresistible aroma of pork, cooking low and slow, filling your kitchen with warmth and anticipation. The steam rising from a fresh, pillowy bun just waiting to be filled, and that first messy, wonderful bite that's both satisfying and a little bit fun. You don't need a special reason to enjoy them, whether it's a family meal, a lively party, or just a well-deserved treat for yourself after a long day. These sliders fit right in. What makes them so loved? It's all about the balance: tender, juicy pork, tangy BBQ sauce, and a pillowy bun, soaking up every last drop of those delicious juices, creating a bite that's pure comfort. It's a true symphony of textures and tastes, no fancy skills or complicated steps required. Food that makes people smile and brings everyone together is the best kind, don't you think? So let's roll up our sleeves, gather our ingredients, and get ready to create something truly special. Even if you've never made these before, don't worry. It's easier than you might think, and I'll guide you every step of the way. We'll go step by step, from picking the perfect pork shoulder to serving up a platter of mouth-watering sliders. Let's get cooking and make this day delicious. The star of our show is pork shoulder, sometimes called pork butt or Boston butt. This cut is marbled with fat, which melts during cooking, keeping the meat juicy and flavorful. Avoid lean cuts like pork loin; they'll turn out dry. Look for a 4 to 5 pound piece, bone-in or boneless, with a nice fat cap. Pork shoulder is perfect for slow cooking and pulls apart beautifully. It's the dependable hero of our slider saga. Let's get it ready for its big moment. Time to prep the pork. This is where the magic begins, so take a moment to appreciate the beautiful cut of meat in front of you. A little care here goes a long way. Mix brown sugar, smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and pepper for a flavorful rub. Each spice brings its own character, creating a blend that's sweet, smoky, and just a little bit spicy. Pat the pork dry with paper towels. This helps the rub stick better. Then, coat it thoroughly with the spice mix, making sure every nook and cranny is covered. If you have time, let it sit for at least 30 minutes, or even overnight in the fridge, to let those flavors really soak in. For cooking, go low and slow. Use a slow cooker or oven. This gentle heat breaks down the pork, making it unbelievably tender. Add a splash of apple cider vinegar or broth for moisture and a subtle tang. Then, cook on low for 8 to 10 hours in a slow cooker, or 5 to 6 hours at 300 degrees in the oven. The long cook time is key for that melt-in-your-mouth texture. The goal: pork so tender it falls apart with a fork. You'll know it's ready when it practically shreds itself. It's a waiting game, but the reward is worth it. Let the hours pass and trust the process. Your house will smell incredible. Rich, savory aromas will fill every corner, making everyone hungry long before it's done. Once done, let the pork rest for a few minutes before shredding. This helps keep all those delicious juices inside. This is the secret to juicy, flavorful pulled pork. Patience pays off here, giving you meat that's moist, tender, and packed with flavor. Ready for the next step? Let's keep going and turn this masterpiece into something unforgettable. While the pork cooks, let's make BBQ sauce from scratch. In a saucepan, combine ketchup, apple cider vinegar, brown sugar, and molasses. Add Worcestershire sauce, smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, and a pinch of cayenne for heat. Simmer for 20-30 minutes until thick and glossy. Taste and adjust. More sugar for sweetness, more vinegar for tang. Homemade sauce is leagues better than store-bought. It's the perfect partner for our pulled pork. Set it aside until assembly. The pork is done, the sauce is ready. Now comes the most satisfying part: assembly. This is where all your hard work comes together in one delicious bite. Gently remove the pork from the pot and let it cool just enough to handle. Using 2 forks, shred the meat into tender, juicy strands. Take your time here. The texture is key for perfect sliders. As you shred, keep an eye out for any large pieces of fat or gristle. Discard those so every bite is melt in your mouth good. Pour in about half your BBQ sauce and mix it through the pork, making sure every strand is coated but not swimming. You want the flavor to shine without overpowering the meat. For the buns, pick soft, slightly sweet slider buns. Brioche or Hawaiian rolls are perfect choices. Their pillowy texture pairs beautifully with the savory pork. Toast the buns lightly on a griddle or in a toaster. This step adds a subtle crunch and helps keep the buns from getting soggy once the pork goes on. If you want to take it up a notch, brush the warm buns with a little melted butter. It adds a rich, golden finish and a hint of extra flavor. Now, generously pile the saucy pulled pork onto the bottom half of each bun. Don't be shy. This is the star of the show. Add your favorite toppings. Think crunchy coleslaw, tangy pickles, or crisp onions. These add freshness and balance to every bite. More on toppings soon. Place the top bun on each slider, and if you like, secure it with a cocktail stick to keep everything together. Arrange your finished sliders on a platter. They look absolutely irresistible and are sure to impress anyone at your table. With all the components ready, you're set for the final flourish. Let's dive into the world of toppings and make these sliders truly unforgettable. Toppings take sliders to the next level. Classic coleslaw adds crunch and tang. Just mix pre-shredded cabbage with mayo, vinegar, sugar, salt, and pepper. Pickles are another great choice. Dill for sharpness, bread and butter for sweetness, or pickled red onions for color and zing. For extra crunch, try crispy fried onions or thinly sliced raw onion. The goal is to balance the soft pork and bun with something snappy. Don't overdo it. Sometimes simple is best. Mix and match to suit your taste. Every bite should have a bit of everything. Now, let's serve. Time to serve. For parties, set up a build-your-own slider bar with pork, buns, toppings, and extra sauce. Keep the pork warm in a slow cooker and buns in a basket. Arrange toppings in bowls for easy access. For smaller gatherings, assemble sliders yourself and serve on a platter. Always serve them warm. The contrast of hot pork and cool toppings is key. Have plenty of napkins on hand. These are delightfully messy. Watching friends and family enjoy your sliders is the best reward. It's a simple, tasty meal that brings people together. A cracking success, if I do say so myself. Who's ready for seconds?